Well, it's another wet day. Jumping into the thrift mobile, and we're gonna go hit the thrift store. I had an idea earlier in the week that I'm going to try out, and that is kicking off a series called the One Hit Wonder Thrift Series. And basically what I'm doing here is, in an effort to help those beginner resellers who don't have a lot of capital, who don't know what to source for, who might only have enough money to buy one item at a thrift store per day or per week, I'm gonna go every single day and I'm gonna go to one thrift store. And at that one thrift store, I'm gonna buy one item. That one item is going to be a bigger ticket item that I can then flip on eBay and hopefully make some money in order to fund the business. I hope this interests you. Let's get going. To kind of give some of the parameters of what I'm doing here. I'm looking to buy one item at one store for no more than maybe $10 or $12, $15 tops. Another parameter I'm setting for myself on this is no shoes. I don't want to buy any shoes because that's something I already normally sell. I want to buy hard goods, electronics, toys, things that are in high demand and low quantity on eBay currently. I'll be checking all the comps. I'll be showing you everything that I do along the way. I'll show you every step of the way and hopefully lock in some faster, higher dollar sales as we go through the process. All right, so we've just arrived at today's store, and honestly, I wish I would have thought of this plan yesterday. Yesterday was Wednesday, today's Thursday, but Wednesday is 15% off for military veterans, which I am, so I wish I would have thought of this yesterday, but I didn't. So I'll be paying full price today. Let's get into the store and see what we can find. So I'm currently in pain right now because the shoe selection here is so good. The shoe selection here is so good today, and I told myself I wouldn't buy it because we're doing this challenge, and they have some great shoes for great prices in excellent condition. I could easily scoop in and make some money. However, I'm gonna stick to the challenge. So one item, nothing promising yet. Let's keep looking. This was selling for $80 to $125. However, they wanted $50 for this, for the entire set, and so I passed on it. We got this Makita case. The smaller cases were going for about $10 plus shipping. The large and extra large cases were going for 50 bucks. I paid $1.98. And then after tax, it was $2.10. So we definitely scored. It does not need to be cleaned. I mean, I'll wipe it down, but it's not something like shoes that needs to be washed or cleaned. It's empty, but you can see it was $7 to start and they marked it down to $1.98. I'm happy with that. And so into the inventory bin it goes. So that's it for today's sourcing trip. I will touch base with you guys again when we get home. I'll show you how I'm photographing it and how I'm listing it. All right, here's the first thing we've got. It's this Makita tool case. I believe this is for a drill. I'm peeling the sticker off right now. There we go. All right, so what I'm doing is I'm taking a couple pictures and I'm gonna measure this out so I can just show the measurements on there. Let's grab some pictures. All right, there's 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, that's that for this piece. Got a couple pictures. Oh, you know what? We'll do one for thickness here. All right, that's it for this one. Now we're off to list it. Hey guys, I want to say thank you for jumping into this with me. Episode 1 is a wrap. Thanks for watching. Tune in tomorrow for episode 2, and I'll see you on the next video. Going along with that, I have a bunch of items at home in my, what most people call death pile. I don't call it that. I call it my money pile. I have a ton of items that I bought in the past over time that I just have not listed. And so we will be going through that stuff as well, and I'll be sharing with you as we go along those items. You'll know what items I've had in my money pile for a while. I will let you know that. I'm not going to front or try to show you things that are in my money pile and make you think that I just went out and bought them recently. Some of the stuff I've had for months.